The work never stops. The pursuit of excellence is 24 hours a day.
40,000 square feet of controlled environment. Where the floor itself is a digital nervous system.
Access is a privilege, granted only to the elite.
A choreographed ballet of machine and man.
Raw aluminum, awaiting its transformation into legend.
Each car assigned a digital soul before a single bolt is turned. The marriage point, where engineering becomes automotive art.
Stage 1 complete. The canvas is now prepared.
The marriage point, where engineering becomes automotive art. Perfection demands absolute purity. From the past's greatest triumphs, we build the future. Phase 1 complete. The journey has begun.
Every material sourced from the four corners of the earth. No material enters unverified. Aerospace protocols demand certainty.
Carbon fiber, black gold, handled with reverence.
Leather, hides selected from the finest European herds.
The logistics ballet, choreographed by central AI.
Temperature controlled. Humidity controlled. Perfection controlled.
Every component, hand-picked for a single, future masterpiece.
The just-in-time promise. Exactly what's needed, exactly when needed.
No two pieces are identical. Each tells its own story. The raw elements have arrived. The transformation begins. 8,000 tons of force, shaping aluminum with the precision of a watchmaker.
Positioning tolerances measured in microns.
Metal, taught to flow like water.
From flat sheet to three-dimensional sculpture in under 3 seconds. Carbon fiber requires a crucible, heat and pressure, applied with godlike precision.
For 8 hours, it bakes, forged in fire like Excalibur.
Lasers, guided by algorithms, honoring the hide's natural grain. Zero waste, zero compromise. Sliced so thin, light passes through. The art of the veneer.
Molten aluminum, squeezed through diamond dies, emerges as structural art.
Cut to length, cut to perfection. A gathering of components, each perfect in its own right.
Primary processing complete. The bones of the beast are forged.
The skeleton emerges. 40,000 welds, each one perfect.
The roof, the final piece of the structural puzzle. guided by lasers, married by precision.
The sound of creation. 200,000 volts of fusion. Lifted from its birth station, a skeleton ready for flesh. From the universal to the specific, each body now on its own path. 3 million measurements in under 60 seconds.
The Rolls-Royce gap. Perfectly parallel, perfectly consistent, perfectly beautiful.
The structure is complete. Now, it must become beautiful.
The final human check. If they miss nothing, the machines have done their job.
The skeleton is complete. Now we give it skin.
The paint shop. Cleaner than an operating theater.
Degreased, phosphated, prepared. The metal must be naked to receive its paint.
Water breaks perfectly here. Nothing remains but pure metal. 120 degrees. The metal is dried, warmed, and waiting. Every seam sealed. Every joint silenced. The quiet begins here. Primer. The foundation of every color. The protector against time.
Atomized to microscopic droplets, applied with electrostatic precision.
Baked at 165 degrees, the primer becomes one with the metal.
Perfection demands patience. Even the invisible must be smoothed.
The moment of truth, the color, the soul.
Black. Not just a color. An absence of light. A depth of field.
The color is applied. The soul is visible. Now, we must protect it forever.
The shell becomes a sanctuary. The interior, a world of its own. VIN 4712, Obsidian Black, interior confirmed. Every car is unique. Every component, destined for one.
Before the interior is installed, the car must learn what it will become.
Silence isn't just absence. It's engineered. Layer by layer.
A network faster than thought. The car begins to think.
Left side, down, stop.
The command center. From here, the world is controlled.
The moment the wood breathes. A forest, captured in a dashboard.
Hand-finished leather, delivered by machine, secured by human hands.
Perfect.
12 hides per car. 1,000 hours of stitching. This is the result.
The ceiling. Often ignored, never forgotten.
A personal galaxy, commissioned by the owner, crafted by hand.
Beautiful.
The customer's sky. Delivered.
The sanctuary is complete. The heart beats. Now, we give it eyes and a face.
The eyes of the car. Bonded with aerospace-grade adhesive.
Chrome, not just bright work. Jewelry.
Perfect.
Gaps measured in 0.5 millimeters. The signature of Rolls-Royce.
The face of Rolls-Royce. Unmistakable. unforgettable. She has watched over every Rolls-Royce for over a century. Her gaze, unwavering.
The skeleton meets the muscles. The car learns to dance.
The shoes. 22 inches of forged alloy and precision rubber.
Blood, sweat, and gears. The vital fluids precisely measured.
Hydraulics ready. Stopping power assured.
The heart of the electrical system. Silent power, waiting.
The form is complete. The beauty is visible. Now, we must prove it is worthy.
Full throttle. Maximum load. The engine must prove its mettle.
Balance. The elimination of chaos. The silence begins in the spinning metal.
Heat, force, repetition. The suspension asks for no mercy and gives none.
Monsoon, hurricane, deluge. The car must remain an island of dryness.
Silence in the storm. The sanctuary holds.
Complete silence. Here, we listen for the things that should not exist. A rattle, a squeak, a failure. Light, the painter's ally and enemy. Here, it reveals all.
It has endured the worst we could offer. It has passed. It is worthy.
The final meters. Here, machine gives way to master. The car becomes a black Rolls-Royce.
Not a wash, a ritual. Every inch touched by hand.
Water hides. We find it. We banish it. The wood of the black Rolls-Royce. Forest, crafted into art. Now, polished to eternity. The black Rolls-Royce stands on 4 perfect circles. Alloy, rubber, and the promise of motion.
The final bath for the black Rolls-Royce. Water, soap, and reverence.
The black Rolls-Royce is dry. The water is gone. The depth remains.
The master's touch. The final wax on the black Rolls-Royce. Protection, depth, soul. The black Rolls-Royce is ready. It has been forged, formed. The moment has arrived. The black Rolls-Royce waits beneath its shroud.
The face of the black Rolls-Royce. Uncovered, unmistakable, unforgettable.
The black Rolls-Royce meets the sun. For the first time, it is home.
12 cylinders, 6 3/4 liters. A whisper. The black Rolls-Royce speaks.
The black Rolls-Royce pauses, one last look back. Then, forward. Always forward.
And so, the black Rolls-Royce goes. To its owner. To its life.